Hi guys, this time I'm going to show you how to check voltage of a battery using multimeter. You know what is multimeter? A multimeter is an instrument that can measure many electrical quantities such as current, voltage, resistance, etc. You can see a multimeter here. I'm going to switch on this. Now we have to measure the voltage of this battery. So I'm changing the knob to DC mode for getting the voltage. I'm putting it to 20. You can see that means I can measure the voltage from 0 to 20 voltage. I assume that this battery's voltage is between 0 and 20. Now you know the terminals. This is the positive terminal of the battery and this is the negative terminal. Now these are the probes of multimeter. This is the positive one and this is the negative one. Red for positive and black for negative. You might be knowing that. Now I'm making in contact with the positive terminal and the negative terminal of the battery. You can see the voltage 8 voltage. Now let me show you how to check the voltage of two batteries connected in series. You can see in the video two batteries are connected in series. There is a negative terminal of one battery is connected to the positive terminal of the other battery. Now I am checking the voltage from this terminal and this terminal. That is the positive terminal of the first battery and the negative terminal of the second battery. You can see the voltage, that is 14. That is the equivalent voltage of the both batteries. Next is the parallel connection of two batteries. You can see in parallel connection the positive terminals of both batteries are shorted and the negative terminals of also are shorted as well. Now I'm checking the voltage. It's close to 7. That is the average voltage of both the batteries. Thanks for watching this video. We will be back with many more such videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel PROTEC R&D Labs.